Get ready for a new wave. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's biggest upgrade will get officially announced this year in the month of October. Not only is it gonna make the S25 Ultra possibly the most powerful phone ever made, but also introduce a new wave of features that we never thought possible on a smartphone, all under the umbrella of Galaxy AI 2nd Gen. The single biggest thing that separates Samsung from other Android phones and iPhones is Galaxy AI, which is why Samsung has officially announced that they are doubling down on AI, and the next big upgrade is coming to Bixby with proper generative AI features. This is going to be the biggest upgrade to Bixby since its launch back in 2017. During the launch of their new AI-powered home appliances, they revealed that Bixby will soon get ability to understand complex sentences, voice commands, as well as engage in natural conversations and continue previous conversations. It's like using ChatGPT but in the form of voice assistant. For example, if you ask Bixby about what to do with all the vegetables and chickens you bought yesterday, Bixby will be able to understand the context of your question and come up with a recipe where you can use those ingredients. Now, Samsung didn't tell us when this big Bixby update will get released, but if I have to take a guess, it might be reserved for One UI 7.0 or One UI 7.1 based on Android 15, which is going to be the software for the Galaxy S25 series. Now guys, a new Galaxy S flagship phone is confirmed to come this year. We're gonna talk about it right after this. If you're still waiting for a fast charger to come inside the box of your phone, it's never gonna happen. Which is why the best thing to do right now is to invest in a proper high quality fast charger, and my recommendation as a long-term user is uggreen. Ugreen's Nextword Pro chargers are absolutely perfect when it comes to fast charging multiple devices at the same time. For example, Nextword Pro 160 watt can fast charge a MacBook Pro from 0 to 50% in just 27 minutes, and same thing with the Nextword Pro 65 watt mini charger that can fast charge a MacBook Air M2 from 0 to 51% in just 30 minutes. They support all kinds of fast charging protocols, including the 45 watt super fast charging 2.0 standard of Samsung. And thanks to GaN Infinity chip and comprehensive protection, these chargers offer fast, efficient, and safe charging. So don't miss the opportunity, because Ugreen is currently offering a massive discount on all of their products. Definitely click the link in the description. Alrighty, so the S24 series is about to get a new member, and by that I mean the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. According to a massive news coming from South Korean media, Galaxy S24 FE is set to come this summer, which is actually way earlier than the other FE models before. According to the source, the mass production of the display components for the Galaxy S24 FE is well underway, and we could actually see the S24 FE join the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Flip 6 and the possible Z Fold FE or even the Fold 6 Ultra. There's so many products at the July Unpacked event. The production volume is said to be in the millions already, which means that Samsung is actually counting on heavily on the S24 FE launch, so we'll see how things will go. And last but not the least, Samsung is still somewhat of an ambitious company. Time and time again, they have showed off their incredible plans for future foldable devices. We've got our possible first look at the early prototype design of the Galaxy Book Fold 17-inch. In this pattern, Samsung is showing off a foldable laptop that has a full-on foldable display with a partial on-screen keyboard. If somehow they manage to make this Book Fold laptop similar to how they have showed off in the teaser concept trailer video, honestly, this thing might actually bang. But let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. So that's all the latest news. With the great power that's gonna come with the S25 Ultra, we're also going to bring a huge upgrade to the Galaxy AI 2nd Gen. Quite a lot of features, including a major update to Bixby. Drop your thoughts below. Subscribe if you're new here. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.